Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to remove a card on Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in bet365.com. Once you press enter, you'll be taken to this website. Now, on this website, you'll have to log into your account. So, click on this login button. Then, you'll have to enter your login credentials on this box, then click on login. You cannot remove your card completely, but you can make it inactive, or you can change your card details to another card that is not useful. You can follow either of the methods. If you make your card inactive, there won't be any transactions, and if you change your bank details, the amount won't be used from your main bank account. To do so, you can go to your billing information section, either make it inactive or change your card details. So, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.